In this video I want to talk about my Roswheel Attack handlebar bag and was it really worth buying? Hello again folks, welcome. I'm Andrew and today I'm in Mousehold Heath in Norwich, Norfolk on a beautiful day in February. And in this video I want to have a look at my Roswheel Attack handlebar bag, some of the good points, some of the bad points and whether or not it was worth buying. Now, this bag comes with its own mounting system, but I find that it's better to secure it with an additional couple of bungees to stop this thing flapping around. So this is the Roswheel Attack handlebar bag as it comes. It comes in two pieces, the mounting system and a dry bag. And this mounting system has two clips there. Now the mounting system itself is mounted to the handlebar with these two straps here. So what do I think about this handlebar bag? Well, I've used it several times now and I think I can give an honest judgment and say that it's pretty limited. Now this is being sold as a 7-litre bag. Okay, maybe it is, but it's limited by the size of this opening here. And you know, it's just too small to really get a one-man tent in or even a sleeping bag. The mounting system is pretty flimsy and the bag flails around at the front end, which is the last thing you want if you're going over rough terrain. You find that this is just flailing around and is pretty much good for nothing. And all your belongings in here are held on by just two velcro straps, and this is just simply not good enough. Alright, so what's the alternative? You might decide to get a much bigger dry bag, something like this. So on the times that I've used this system, I've replaced the Roswheel bag with my own dry bag, this dry bag, and as you can see it's a lot bigger, and I think this is reportedly 20 litres, and it's got a much bigger opening so you can get a sleeping bag in. I'll leave it to you to decide whether or not £26 is well spent on this Roswheel Attack handlebar bag. Personally, I don't think it is, and I think I would rather spend it on an alternative system, or go out and buy my own dry bag and a couple of bungees and make a makeshift handlebar bag. So that's it. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and until the next video, happy bikepacking and I'll see you next time.